Resilient foundations, therapeutic insights into overcoming challenges in real estate. In the ever-evolving landscape of real estate, resilience serves as a cornerstone for navigating challenges and fostering growth. Drawing parallels from therapeutic principles, we embark on a journey to explore strategies for cultivating resilience and overcoming obstacles together. In the realm of real estate and in this life, we will delve into various approaches inspired by resilience theory, aiming to empower professionals and clients alike to weather storms and emerge stronger. Let's start with collaborative problem solving, building strength through unity. Just as therapy thrives on collaboration between therapist and client, real estate transactions flourish when professionals and clients join forces to tackle challenges. By fostering a spirit of collaboration and partnership, real estate professionals empower clients to actively participate in problem-solving processes. Together, they brainstorm creative solutions, leverage diverse perspectives, and navigate obstacles with resilience and determination, laying the groundwork for success. Adaptive flexibility, embracing change and innovation. Resilience in real estate requires an adaptive mindset that embraces change and innovation. Similar to the flexibility inherent in therapeutic approaches, real estate professionals must remain agile and responsive to shifting market dynamics and client needs. By embracing innovation and leveraging emerging technologies, professionals adapt to change with grace and resilience, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth and evolution. Now we've changed what's going on. Then, transparent communication, cultivating trust and understanding transparent communication. Understanding transparent communication serves as a catalyst for building the trust and understanding both therapy and real estate transactions. Real estate professionals foster resilience by maintaining open and honest communication with clients, providing clarity regarding challenges, risks, and potential solutions. No surprises. Transparent communication cultivates a sense of trust and partnership, empowering clients to navigate uncertainties with confidence and resilience. Our goal is to get rid of the unknown. Next, emotional intelligence, nurturing empathy and compassion. In the realm of real estate, emotional intelligence plays a pivotal role in fostering resilience and building rapport with clients. Real estate professionals leverage empathy and compassion to connect with clients on a deeper level, validating their emotions and concerns. By nurturing emotional intelligence, professionals create a supportive environment where clients feel understood and supported, enabling them to navigate the challenges with resilience and grace. Then, continuous learning and growth, cultivating resilience through education. Resilience thrives on a foundation of continuous learning and growth. Real estate professionals embrace a growth mindset, seeking out opportunities for education and professional development. By staying abreast of industry trends, best practices, and emerging technologies, professionals can equip themselves with the knowledge and skills needed to overcome challenges and adapt to changing circumstances with resilience and confidence. Let's take a look at self-care and well-being, how to sustain resilience through balance. As champions of resilience, real estate professionals must prioritize self-care and well-being to sustain their effectiveness and resilience, especially those who tend to work more than 6 days a week. By nurturing their physical, emotional, and mental well-being, professionals cultivate resilience from within, ensuring they have the energy and resilience needed to support clients through challenges, because they will come up. Just as therapists prioritize self-care to sustain their ability to support others, real estate professionals nurture their well-being to navigate obstacles with resilience and grace. So, in the dynamic realm of real estate, resilience serves as a guiding light, illuminating pathways to overcome challenges, overcome those mountains, and foster growth. By drawing upon therapeutic insights such as collaborative problem solving, adaptive flexibility, transparent communication, emotional intelligence, continuous learning and growth, along with self-care and well-being, real estate professionals and clients alike can navigate their obstacles with resilience and grace. Together, they forge resilience partnerships grounded in trust, empathy, and mutual support, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth and success in the ever-evolving landscape of real estate. So, be sure to work with someone who can equip and foster this in your real estate transaction to make your real estate journey easy. If you need help with any of these, feel free to reach out and I'll be sure to give you some additional guidance along the way. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to comment down below and like and subscribe for more.